Guys, I'm going to give you, this is how upsetting my portfolio is. Even my kids are crying. I'm gonna give you an update today, a very detailed update on JASM, on Bitcoin, and really what I think is happening. We're gonna talk a little bit about Elliott wave count as well, okay? And I do think the bottom is in here very soon, especially for JASM. I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna share information I gave with the Patreon. Over the weekend, we've been talking a lot. Discord is down below. And you know what? I shut it down all of August, but there is some good information in there. And I'm gonna reopen it just for you guys if you wanna join the community. It's very important. You're in the right environment. You keep the right mindset moving forward, especially when this happens. What is this swan behind me? Let's talk about it. Grab your coffee first. Also drop a like if you're here with me. Be grateful you have another day. I mean, I'm more grateful for that than money, right? Hope you are too. Now we're gonna talk about this black swan. So what is this? This comes from Investopedia.com. An unpredictable event that is beyond what is normally expected of a situation and has potentially severe consequences. Guys, we are experiencing a black swan event right now. Bitcoin has gone under 50,000 in the last 24 hours. When we were talking about this a couple days ago, we were above 60,000. Bitcoin has crashed over $10,000 in a matter of 48 hours. That is a big deal. And you think about everything that's been put out there on the news. Bitcoin ETFs being approved, Ethereum ETFs being approved, the inflows to these Bitcoin ETFs with baby boomer money, this IRA money that's just rolling into these Bitcoin ETFs. And now those people are down significantly, especially if they were buying above 70,000, above 65,000, above 60,000. So this is what's happening right now. The stock market is completely tanking. Why is this? Well, I think it's for a couple different reasons. One, the elections is a big question mark right now. Interest rates is a big question mark right now. Fears of wars is going on right now. And fear of a recession is going on right now. Now, do I think we will recover? Absolutely. And I'm about to show you what is actually happening with Bitcoin, what is happening with JASM. So let's get right into that. Now, before we get into this, I do need to share this with you guys. I actually shared this with the Patreon on August 3rd, which was literally two days ago, 48 hours ago this was at 6:37 p.m. Bitcoin was trading above 60,000. This was my warning because I want to look at every situation. So about 48 hours ago, I said monthly time frame for Bitcoin, some things to think about. Right now, it's holding a 236 fib. Okay, so I talked a lot about Fibonacci on here, and we're gonna get into JASM in a second. So just be patient with me, but you have to understand what's going on with Bitcoin to understand why JASM is crashing so hard right now. Okay, so we were holding that area, which was about around 62,000 when I made this post. Next level is the 382 level, just under 52,000, okay? So this was my warning. Stochastic also heading down. Last month, we had a huge wick down to 53,000 and closed green. What happens this month? Historically, Bitcoin has a great month in October. Right now, we're in August, guys. Also, the 21 EMA is creeping up and looks like it could line up right around the 382 level within weeks, okay? Below me, you can see also looks to be support around 47 to 48,000 weekly candle right now is below the 21 EMA. If this closes under it tomorrow, which means Sunday, things could get ugly for a little, in my opinion. And guys, we did close under it on a weekly time frame for Bitcoin. And then the massive sell-off started. Right now, Bitcoin's trading at 52,000, okay? So again, you have to look at every situation. You have to do what's best for you and your family. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all just my own opinion. But Bitcoin and altcoins move off technicals. So when we analyze this, the next area that I'm thinking for Bitcoin, guys, and I shared my plan with the Patreon this morning, and I'll just share it with you. I will not be buying any more crypto. Now, I will tell you, I did buy crypto over the weekend. When Bitcoin was priced at 62,000, I bought this fib line. When it was priced at 57,000, I bought it. And now I'm waiting. Right now is a good time, I would say, to buy because this is an important level based off Fibonacci. But I'm going to be waiting until about 46 to 44,000. That's the next time I'll be putting cash into crypto. Okay. Now let's go over JASM and the Elliott wave theory because this is going to paint the picture for you. And I really, really, really do believe JASM's bottom is in here very soon because it's working perfectly. It looks perfect. And let me share this with you. So behind me, this is Elliott wave. Now I think we are right here for JASM. Wave 2 of 5. We're doing an ABC correction right now. Let me show you the charts and then you can give me your opinion down below. All right, so we got Elliott wave here. Let me actually walk you through this if you haven't been aware of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So wave 4, and I'll go back to the other screen, is usually above wave 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 was like the blow off top basically. Okay, then we have an ABC correction. A is low, but above 4. B goes up high. C. Now C can go as low as right above 1. Okay, so C, the C wave, the ABC correction wave can actually go below 4, but stay above 1. So what I have as my worst case scenario for JASM is actually bouncing right now as I'm making this. We have a long wick right here, so that may have been the bottom. But the worst case, I would say now that this is actually playing out with Elliott wave and the ABC would be the 786 level right here, because we also use Fibonacci when looking at this. And that would be about 0.011 or 0.012. Okay, that'd be like my absolute worst because it would be below the 4, above the 1, and then we would start to move higher. So what would happen next? Well, guys, if this is where we're at the C level right now, crypto will recover and then we'll start to chop up. And then JASM will be in wave 3 of 5, right? Because we've already done wave 1 because we took it from the low, the bottom of JASM, brought it here, played out perfectly, ABC looking perfect. Now I think we're gonna go into this, another 5 wave count. So I'll be walking you guys through this, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, especially if you hold JASM. And of course, I'm gonna open up the Patreon again today so that you guys can be alerted. I don't wanna just wait till September for you. Everything is on discount right now. Prices will go up in September though. You wanna make sure you understand this because right now people are freaking out. We're in a black swan event. But when you actually look at the charts and you look at Elliott wave, you look at the news that's going on, this is starting to make a whole lot of sense. So make sure you drop a like if you're with me and if this is making sense to you. So this is what I think is gonna happen next. I think we finally completed wave 2. If we haven't completed, we're like right there. Again, worst case scenario would be 0.011 to 0.012, and then we'll finally start the uptrend again. Okay, so I don't think crypto is disappearing. I think this is just a huge, huge scare tactic, and the big money, big institutions have all the control. But look at this, guys. For JASM, this is gonna be beautiful. And then it's gonna reach up here very soon. So again, I'll make another video about kind of now what this price would be. Let me know down below if you want any more information with JASM or crypto. I hope you all have a great week. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.